Hey guys, so I'm looking at Elizabeth on the monitor right now. She is asleep, so I am hoping she keeps sleeping for a little bit longer. She's actually been down for quite a while, probably like 40 minutes, which is a pretty good amount of time for her. Okay, so I am wearing a sweater, some high-waisted dark jeans. I know these words are so exciting. And I am trying to figure out my makeup because I'm leaving the house without my daughter for like, I don't know, to say that it happens once a week is probably a little generous aside from when I go to work. I'm going to start off with the Clinique in Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in Custard, which as I've said is a teensy bit too light for me, but I am going to use bronzer and I am going to mix this with one of the Wet n Wild foundations as well, so it'll work. Alright. Then I'm going into Buff Bisque in the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I know this part of my routine has remained the same, so I don't know if I'm going to have to change it up now that the weather has gotten colder, because I might need something a little bit more moisturizing on my skin, but maybe I won't. My skin just keeps changing. I have no idea. It's weird how it does that as you age. And all of a sudden you're like, oh, this isn't working as well as it used to. Weird. All right. So I have an IT Cosmetics buffing brush. I'm going to use the Fit Me Set and Smooth in Natural Beige. So just with the thing it comes with. And I'm mostly doing this on my T-zone, but anywhere that I feel like it's possible for it to kind of wear off or get oily. I also like to do it to like set any of the foundation concealer that's on my lid before I put eyeshadow on there, so. All right, bronzer. And then I am also going to use a bit of the Milani blush in Tea Rose. This is a nice matte one. I tend to start adding blush as the winter gets colder, because truthfully my nose is going to turn red, so we might as well make my cheeks red. So I'm wearing gray and black. I know, some new and different colors for me. Going with Glades and Vera. So Glades up here, Vera down here. Sorry, things are backwards in the mirror. I'm going to mix those two on my lid and also on my lower lash line, because that is how I tend to do things. So I'm going to start off in Glades. I think is kind of like the more neutral, cool-toned one. So and then blend it up. So this is the Karity Nudes and Rudes, which I have said a couple times, I really think it's a great fall palette. And it's got a great mix of matte and shimmers. I think I'm going to go into Smooth. So Smooth is right next to Glade. So here's Glades, here's Smooth. So Smooth is just a nice matte, cool-toned brown, and I think I'm going to use that on my lower lash line to just kind of buff in. Okay, so I think I want to do something colorful in the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with my crease brush And I'm going to go into the color Soul. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner. And I'm bringing it down a bit on that lower lash line, maybe halfway across. And then I think I'm going to go into, I know, I can't stop. I'm going to go into Prince, which is a dark brown gem color. And I'm going to put that on the outer portion of the upper lash line. And then I'm going to put it on the outer portion of the lower lash line. So just a little bit deeper of a color. Just kind of mixing in with what's already there. This is NYX in Brown Perfection. Okay, let's curl lashes. Dude, she is really out. She has not moved this entire time. Okay, so now we have... Okay, so my good old trusty Gone Greige lip liner. I already have like some Burt's Bees on my lips, so this won't be like super bold. Okay, and then I'm going in with some 920 Nude Lust lipstick. All right, and we are done, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and Elizabeth slept the whole time, which is amazing. Because this has taken me, I don't know if you guys know, but these obviously take longer than what I show you. Because I like do my hair and whatever. And sometimes I have to go get things in another room. Because I'm really organized. But this took 22 minutes. And she slept the entire time. And she might have moved a teensy bit, but not much. So thank you guys so much for watching.